Just like we're ready.
Το βίντεο είναι μια προσφορά της Sunwind, μελέτη, πωλήσεις και εγκαταστάσεις φωτοβολταϊκών σε όλη την Ελλάδα, του τεχνικού γραφείου Architrend, θερμοπροσώψεις, αναβαθμίσεις κτηρίων και τοποθετήσεις φωτοβολταϊκών και της εταιρείας SOL Βιολάρης με τους πιο σύγχρονους ηλιακούς θερμοσίφωνες και 46 χρόνια εμπειρίας.
Hello, good morning. My name is Greg.
Good morning, Greg. This is Taylor from basengreen.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What do we have here?
This year we have upgraded our battery to the touch screen and with LED strip, and we add the circuit breaker to each one. And most important, our battery pack passed the TÜV IEC certificate. Yes.
So it's certificated.
Yeah.
Your products are very popular in our country, in Greece, especially this rack,
wall-mounted model. Yes.
Model.
Yes. Like this model is the best seller in the European market, and we have the different capacities. We have 11.7 kilowatt hour, 14, 15, and 16.
16. Yeah.
Yes. And we are very confident that the 16 kilowatt hour will be the main capacity in this year, because with the
will be the main capacity.
Yeah, more capacity and with the competitive price.
That's a new product.
Yes, this is the new one, and it's with the larger capacity up to 30 kilowatt hour.
Battery included, or it's just the storage?
For the complete battery pack, yes, it's with the cells assembled. Yeah, so this is the complete battery pack.
It's a battery pack.
Yeah, battery pack.
Right, and its capacity, it's 30 kilowatt hours.
Yes, because we use the EVE MB30 cells.
MB30?
Yeah, and the circle life up to 10,000 times.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's impressive.
And I want to highlight one very good point is we have upgraded to the 17 different languages.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can show you here.
And here we can see the screener.
Yes.
Okay. So what we have here, this is the I see it's the BMS.
Yeah, BMS.
It's this is what is included on our batteries.
Yes, exactly.
And this is the new screen.
Yeah.
Oh.
And let me show you the different languages. Yeah, touch screen. Now I change to English, and you can check here different languages: English, Arabic, Chinese, German, Spanish, Italian,
yeah,
French, Polish, Romanian, Danish, Kurdish, Dutch, Czech.
You miss Greek.
Oh, but we can add it.
We will. Are you going to add it?
Yes, we can add it.
That would be nice.
Yeah. So we can prepare the language list, and we can send to you to help us to check.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's a touchscreen. It's a nice environment.
Mm-hmm. And there is two themes. Now it's the light one, right? And we also have the dark one.
The dark theme?
Yes.
Okay.
Now it's going to dark.
And what do we see here?
So we can see the total voltage, current, BMS status, parallel. It will show how many.
We have parallel, yeah.
Yeah.
We can connect. How many batteries can we connect in parallel?
16 pieces.
16 pieces.
Yes. And you can see the SOC status here, circle count, time remaining. Yeah. And in this page, you can also check different value. Yeah,
about the CAN protocol?
Yeah.
RS485.
Yeah. And I want to share to you.
You see the temperature also?
For the protocol, you can also just choose the right protocol
for your inverter?
Yeah, yeah.
For the communication?
Yes. So we add the hose on the both sides, so it's for the natural cooling of the batteries, because we all know that the the weather in summer of the Middle East market and the African market will be very hot. So those will help to cooling the battery.
So it is a design for a cooling system.
Yes, yes, the natural cooling.
Natural cooling.
Yeah.
And you have also wheels.
Yeah, the wheels.
So it's easy to move.
Yeah.
What is the total weight of the batteries?
So we have the for the 30 kilowatt hour. The weight is 214 kilograms.
240. So it's very important.
Yes. So that's why we made the design like this. So we can just do this to push. Yeah.
From to your side?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
And you can lock the.
Yeah, we can also lock
wheels?
the wheels here.
Ah, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Seems a good. Yeah.
Heavy duty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, I like the touch. I like the.
Yes.
It's nice, and the design also. It's
Yeah, this is our new design.
very good for small spaces that you want to.
Yes. So for the customers, if they want the big capacity and they don't want the batteries occupied many spaces, so they can choose this one.
And I see here on the picture that the connections are behind.
Yeah. So here,
And I see you have also a DC breaker.
DC breaker, and we do dual port
Okay.
and a different communication port. Yeah, this is the high voltage one.
You have a high voltage system?
Yes.
You have to mention it. In Greece now, you know, the Greek market until now buys these models.
Yeah.
I'm an installer, so I have installed a lot of batteries of this model.
Okay.
But nowadays high voltage is going increase and more popular.
More popular, yes.
So we didn't know that you have a high voltage battery storage.
For the high voltage, yeah, it's the connect in a series.
It's connected in series.
Yeah.
That's why I asked you.
Yeah. And for the parallel connection, I can ask my colleague Tom to explain to you.
For the parallel connection.
Yeah.
Hello everyone.
Yes.
This is Tom Chen from basengreen.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. I'm Greg.
Yeah, hello Greg. Nice to meet you. If you want to make like we have this one stack, like the one closer, and we can have this port. It support parallel. This port, external communication port. This port is used for communication.
For communication with the other blocks.
Different cluster, yeah. Battery stacks and stacks. Yeah.
How many? This is the cluster, and we have the batteries below, right?
Yeah.
How many batteries is the minimum to start working?
Three.
And
And
three stacks the minimum.
That means 15 kilowatt hour. 15.
15.
Yeah.
So it's stuck. It's 5.
4. Actually 4. 3 batteries module plus 1 BMS module.
Plus the BMS module. And it's block.
It's 5.
It's 5.
Because it's 20 kilowatt hour. 20.
All this it's 20 kilowatt hours.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Its block is 5 plus the cluster.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And it can support up to 20 clusters
20
in parallel. Yeah.
Wow. 20.
200 βολτ, 100 αμπέρ είναι οι 4. Η μία είναι 5 kW.
Αυτό λέμε, είναι το cluster. Εδώ είναι 5 η κάθε μία και το cluster επάνω. Nice. So it's nice to see a high voltage system on your booth.
Yeah.
Until now, we are very familiar with the low voltage batteries.
Yeah.
This is very popular in Greece. The wall mounted.
Yeah.
And now we see the new
product.
The new model. It's also it comes in two versions, 15 kilowatt and 30 kilowatt hour.
Yeah.
Nice. And I like very much the construction. I like the wheels. Yeah. Much better than a battery I bought 2 years ago.
Yeah.
It's and very easy to manage.
Actually, we have two options for the high voltage solutions. One of these is 100 mAh. The capacity is 100 mAh because it's made with EVE 100 mAh cells. And we have the larger solution is that when we have the larger size, we put the larger capacity. We will have the based on 280 mAh.
Okay.
It will be up to 112 kWh per crosser.
So there is a stock series in larger dimensions.
Yeah.
And with
Larger cells.
Larger cells.
Yeah, larger cells.
How many batteries can be stacked?
8.
8.
Yeah,
8 batteries.
Like that.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Are we going to see more products in the future of high voltage?
Sure. Yeah.
We are waiting for. I like your products.
Yeah, we appreciate.
We are very familiar with them.
Yeah.
And Andrea,
Ευχαριστούμε πάρα πολύ.
we want to thank you.
Τα είχαμε πει και πέρυσι με τον Tom, τον ευχαριστούμε. Thank you, Tom.
Yeah, thank you.
And
Thank you.
we are waiting to see all the new stuff, and we want to keep us updated.
Yeah, sure. We are still working on it. You know, we want to explore more opportunity to help the people to fix up the energy storage problem. Yeah.
I want to make one more question. It's not if we want, we keep it on the video, or it's about, and I ask now as an installer.
Yeah.
The main problem is that your batteries are out of stock in our market.
Yeah.
Mostly everything.
Yeah.
Why is this, or are you going to fix it? Because we want to buy the products, but most of them are out of stock. Is this temporary or?
Actually, it's temporary because you know we want to make sure the new feature. We want to prepare the new feature, so we postpone for a while.
So you postpone.
Yeah.
Because you are.
Yeah, we're preparing the new feature, but unfortunately, we haven't get the Greek versions this time. Yeah, and
Greek version. What do you mean?
Like the language support. Yeah. But
we don't care.
Yeah.
English is fine.
Yeah.
The screen is very nice.
Yeah,
we just need your product.
And another point is that we had a warehouse in Poland, you know, but it's for all of the Euro market. And you know, we have a lot of sales in Greece now, but another country we have the same situation. Like everyone want to have the energy storage, so like they always book the batteries in advance. So even we prepare a lot of stock, but it's still not enough. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the main question.
Do you have a support for the customers? So if they have a problem, they can communicate with you and fix the problem.
Yeah.
Is there support?
Actually, we have the WhatsApp support team and the email support team.
So we can give them the WhatsApp number.
Yeah.
And they can come in contact to you and fix. If they have a problem, because sometimes they don't know. Some people ask about the support. They don't know how to communicate.
And we are also preparing a lot of videos for fix like some common communication issue, like communication issue or setting issue. Yeah. It's a little bit problem, but it's a mess up. Yeah. If customer might feel confused.
Okay. Yeah. That's very useful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.